Hello everybody, look at this huge heat pump. Its heating capacity is 240 kilovolts, and we use R410A gas for this heat pump. It has 4 systems. Let's check. 1 compressor, 2 compressor, 3, 4. Yeah, for this one we use Invotech brand compressor. Invotech brand, because Invotech is very good in R410A. It has a full range compressor for options. 4-way valve. And this one also has 2 functions. You can use it for heating, for cooling. We use a double filter. One is a dry filter, Cooper filter. So 2 protections for the system. For this one, we use 4 separate plate heat exchanger. It's very good for after sales service. The pad layout is very organized. Okay. Let's look at the control system. Yeah, look at this PCB. Look at this technical level. Contactors. This contactor is for circulation pump. This is for fan. Okay. And we use also very high standard control panel. Yeah, here it is. Do you like this big one?